Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing with this rig that I've prepared how to add imported animations from Mixamo into the layer tree. So I've gotten this one and another one, and I'll be adding them and then showing how to keyframe the weights of each so they can show at different times on the platform, because we don't want them showing at the same time. So to add a new layer, I'll import the download from Mixamo, zombie stand up. Brings that in. Okay. With this selected, I'll hit animation, cat, capture, set the source object to the Mixamo rig hips, and the target rig pelvis of the Xbot, which is base human, auto map, which connects the bones and the joints, and capture. I can get rid of this top one because I just don't need it. Rename this layer to stand up, and we can preview it. There he is, standing up. It would need a bit of tweaking to get one-to-one match, but you don't need to show that. We can get rid of these, and there he is. Okay, first layer done. I'll import the next layer, import the animation, jogging FBX. Okay. Same thing. Capture. Move that. Rename to jog. Get rid of this. Okay. So now I've got him with two layers. Standing, which I think finishes at 95 frames. Yep. And jogging, which starts from 0 frames and ends at 77 frames. 77 frames long. Okay, so to separate these on the track so that we can see them, click on one and open up the dope sheet. Open these so we can see the weights. And for the jog layer, I'm going to move it. I'll just pick it up and move it to the 95th frame. Yep, so I want that to start after frame 95. And then I'll go into the weights, change to edit key mode, add and remove keys. I'll put the first one at the start, set its weight to 0, add another one at the 95th frame, also weight 0, 96th frame, 100. And this goes for 77 frames. So I'll end this at 172nd frame. 100, 173, and 0. I think that should work, so we'll close this, bring this back, hit play. Okay, that one's visible, and then switch. Beautiful. Okay, that's all good for me. File and export. I'll name this human test doll. Put it in my Unity assets folder. Save that. Animation is checked. Fake animation is checked for the whole track, the whole range. Okay. I'm not sure what this error is about. Seemingly these bones will be incorrect, but it hasn't affected what I want to show you. So now I'm going to open up Unity. Okay, in Unity now, I've got it here. Human test file, import settings. We'll open it up, look at take 1, edit take 1, and press play. Good. Bit glitchy, but it's fine. I'm going to rename take 1 to stand and specify that it starts at the start and ends at the 96th frame. Add another take, call it run, jog. It starts at the 96th frame and ends at the 172nd frame. There it is on its own. And okay, drag the model into the view. Put him in front of the camera. And we'll take the I think I drag this onto the model. Yep, it creates an animator. Open up the test files inspector and bring this over. Okay, yep, it's already there actually. Okay, now we can view in the animator the transition state. So on entry, I want it to stand and then make a transition to jogging once that's started. This is where you can edit how you want that to play out, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to press play and show you a stand, transition, voila. And at this point, you can use the animator window to set Boolean states for transitions, so you can have conditions like change animation state on key press or after a certain amount of time, and you can mess around with this to satisfy your needs. There you go.